how to host Flutter web app on cPanel. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to host Flutter web app on cPanel. Alright, so let's begin. First, you need to build your Flutter app by running the command flutter build web. This process will generate the necessary files located in this folder. Make sure to navigate to this folder and gather all the files inside. You'll be uploading these, not the folder itself. Next, open the index.html file and remove the base tag. This is essential to avoid any path related issues during hosting. Now, purchase a hosting package and log into your cPanel account. Once inside, go to the file manager and locate the public-html directory. Upload the contents of your web folder here. This will ensure the website is properly hosted. After the upload, open your domain and you should see your web app live and functional, ready to be shared with others. So that's how you can host Flutter web app on cPanel. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.